understand the concept of real yield. So it's the, oh god, what's the formula? It's the nominal interest rate minus inflation. So if the nominal interest rate minus inflation gives you a positive value, then oh god, I'll think about it. But basically, if the real yield is positive, oh, why are you asking difficult questions when I just woke up?
That's why I asked if you need a cup of coffee. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. So the real yield is the annualized return a fixed income investor can expect to earn after inflation. So the formula is the nominal yield that you get on bond minus the inflation. So you take into account the effect of inflation, and if it's positive, then it means gold sell, gold buy. Don't know, can't think now.
Okay.
But basically, yeah, you have to take into account the real yield,
Okay.
and whether so generally speaking, if the real yield is positive, then gold is selling off. If the real yield is negative, then gold is a buy, because gold does not bear any interest.
Okay.
So in a business cycle, when the Fed or any central bank raises and cuts interest rate, you have to understand the concept of real yield to be able to determine if yields are going up, do I sell gold or do I buy gold? Because both of them are very possible, but you need to understand whether it's a rate hiking or rate cutting cycle.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
It's not easy, is it?
You know, one of the things I noticed this week that I haven't seen for a really long time is
Hi,
that
Mike.
it's Thursday. Hi, good morning. I'm sorry, I should have started with that. I noticed that we're still trading inside the Monday range, which is something I haven't seen on a Thursday for a really long time. Like we've barely left Monday's range all week.
Yeah, you can see exactly. But, and what's the question? Sorry.
So I guess, do you think that with today's data release, we're going to see a definitive decision and direction that's going to leave the range?
It's a question that if we see a significantly big deviation in terms of actual and forecast, then yes. But if it's in line with expectation or tepid like mixed data, then we're going to consolidate for further. But let me show you something real quick. So if you look gold on higher time frames, gold loves to consolidate for weeks and for even months. I'm go to the weekly chart. Yeah,
It's not very clear.
you see how many times gold consolidates from January to May, so 6 months consolidation. But as soon as it breaks out, and this is the weekly chart, as soon as it breaks out from the consolidation, it moves down thousands of pips, 15,000 pips. Multiple scenarios, downward consolidation, a bull flag, another bull flag, boom, breakout, and we're talking about thousands and thousands of pips. This consolidation right here, very ugly, with massive wicks, massive shadows. Consolidation here as well. Again, it looks like a bull flag. So as soon as gold breaks out from a consolidation on higher time frame, then it moves thousands of pips in one direction. And it is what it is. This is how gold can play dirty sometimes, and this is why many traders hate gold, because when it enters into consolidation, that's can be ugly, and this is why traders hate it. But as soon as it breaks out, Mike, have you heard about the turtle traders?
The turtle traders?
Trading is
No.
all about experience. It's
I
to feel
recommend
the
this
adrenaline
to
running
read.
through our
Buy
veins.
the book. Total
all the
traders
things
are
we
actually
do
one of
that
the most
excite
profitable
us.
traders
Whatever
in
world
history,
we come from or
and they
live
follow
in,
a
there
simple
are people
breakout
that are
strategy
born to
on the
succeed.
futures market.
They're called special,
There is a
to hustle every
very
day
cute
for an
story about
opportunity
it.
of a lifetime.
A mathematician
Looking for the
and
challenge to
a
shape our future
trader
is something that's in our
were on a holiday
DNA.
in Turtle Island or in Turtle Farm or something,
A
and they
privilege
betting.
just
The
available
trader says
for
like,
a
"Oh, I
few.
can teach my job to someone, to anyone."
Traders,
and
we see
statistician
things
or mathematician
differently,
says, "No, it's
paying
impossible.
attention to
This
every
is
small
highly
detail
numerical, you know, it's difficult. It's
that would
those
maybe go
numbers.
unnoticed
Can't
by the
teach it to,
common
you
eye.
know, the everyday Joe.
On or
plumber.
by the edge is
So
our
yes, I can do.
playground,
So they have a bet.
with a
They
constant
post
strive
a
for
newspaper
glory,
advertisement.
seeking for a new tomorrow.
Background. They actually have
Do you feel
housewives,
special?
builders, bricklayers, lawyers.
Take back control of your investments.
And the guy gives them very clear instructions about how and what should they do. And those who stay, it's difficult to follow in the markets, you know, when someone says buy here, but you see losing money. But anyway, so those who were able to follow his instructions, apparently, allegedly, to date, are the most successful traders in history. And it is based on a simple breakout strategy.
Interesting. Thank you.
Those who stay.
Yeah, I read about this. They stayed in range for almost 6 months, 7 months.
Break and retreat. Oh, nice sexy music.
Wagwan Punanes.
Yes, good song. Not stress me.
I love your emoji.
So, Kai, stop drawing on my chart, please.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that was on. I didn't know it was for everyone. Sorry.
Yeah. So we have 23 minutes until PCE prices and jobless claims release. Pretty much everything you need to know, it's on the chart. I went on live YouTube, by the way, because many people ask me whether it's a buy or sell goal today. Who knows, guys, but I can give you some direction. So welcome everyone. Members, you already see my positions, we already discussed everything. Do you have any questions?
No.
No. Okay, let me just send my positions to the group. And this is, by the way, a front-running position, so it can go very, very wrong. So please make sure that you only follow if it lines up with your analysis. But I have my bias on one side, and as you can see on the screen right now. So welcome everyone, those who just joined the stream. Today we're going to have two sets of data times 2. So jobless claims continuing and initial, and also we're going to have the core PCE price index month on month, year on year. Now, starting with continuing jobless claims essentially show, you know, the strength of the job market. If the number of jobless claims increasing, that means that there are cracks in the economy and is a sign of a cooling and contracting economy. And this is a deflationary data. So you can see on the chart, I already did the work for you. If the jobless claims comes out higher, that is a sign of a cooling economy, and that should help to push gold all the way to
Wrong chart,
20.
wrong chart.
20.
Wrong chart, Thomas.
No,
You
you
are
see my.
showing
But I'm not talking
empty
to
form.
you. Yeah.
Okay.
Because you get you get to see my live position, but I'm talking to people on YouTube. But yeah, I can show you the same chart. But we discussed this already. You know it, Ricardo. You're fully equipped.
Yeah.
You're fully equipped with the knowledge.
I'm on the trade with you.
You're fully
Maybe
equipped
Ricardo
with
was
the
late.
knowledge. Nah, he's never late. He's even early for tomorrow. So, higher jobless claims means there's less money circulating in the economy because more people claiming unemployment benefit or claimant counts or whatever it's called in the US. So the disposable income, obviously less salaries are being paid, therefore the disposable income is going to be less, and thus less money will be spent on toilet paper and chicken breasts. And the less money spent in the economy, it is actually good for the Fed because currently they're fighting inflation for 2 years now, almost 2 years. So lower jobless claims is going to be bullish for gold. Higher jobless claims is bullish for gold. Lower jobless claims, on the opposite or the contrary, is showing an overheating economy because of it is an inflationary data and is a sign of a low unemployment. Now imagine less people claiming unemployment benefit or less people claiming themselves jobless. That means that more people are in the circle of flow of income. More people being employed, more salaries being paid, more money is circulating in the economy, and that itself generates inflation. And thus, lower jobless claims is quite bearish for gold. It's a sign of an overheating economy. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Write in the YouTube chat, but this is pretty much that sums up everything you need to know about the jobless claims. Read the narrative on the chart, but this is how gold is going to react. But today we have also the PCE prices, which is another measure to weigh inflation, another way to measure inflation, and it's the Fed's preferred way to measure inflation, because the PCE, or the personal consumption expenditure versus consumer price index, so PCE versus CPI. The PCE takes into account the effect of substitution. So when people shop down, when they have the same salary but inflation is going up, so their money worth less at the end of the month, they have to shop down. Maybe every single day they were able to afford a steak dinner, but because their salary isn't increasing the same pace as inflation, now they have to substitute steak for potatoes, worst case scenario. So this is the effect of substitution. There's the effect of substitution. And you trade exactly the same way as the CPI. You trade exactly the same way. If the PC prices comes out lower, there's a sign of, decreasing prices and less substitution, and the lower PC should push gold higher. On the other hand, a higher PC should push gold lower. That's it. That it is.
Hi, Thomas.
Karan,
I had a question regarding. Hi, how are you? So the CPI came higher earlier this month. So could that be correlated with PCE?
Say it again, sorry.
CPI came in higher earlier this month. So can that be correlated with PCE?
It can be correlated with PCE. The question is that how much shoppers substituted, because if they shop down, then inflation is it has less effect on the PCE. That's why the Fed is preferring the PCE, because it's less volatile. But yes, it can have an effect.
Okay, thanks.
Brad the Lad, yes, we got on live on YouTube, but you see a different screen than what people see on YouTube.
I don't know if you can hear me, but
I can very well. Welcome to the team.
Good, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Welcome to the London Capital Markets Thursday trading session.
How you doing, Brad?
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, very good. Just looking forward to being part of this team, and I've been following on YouTube for quite some time, so about time to get on board properly.
welcome to the team. If you have any question, feel free to ask. It will take maybe a few days to get accommodated. Read the Start Here channel. If you go into the website, you should find all the recordings. So we do live morning briefing every day. Well, only when not, so not every day. That's only part of the marketing, but pretty much quite a few times a week. So we do the live morning briefing every day where I show my positions. We talk about market sentiment, macroeconomics, fundamental, and then the technicals. So combining, building up a macroeconomic strategy, taking into account, yields, all sort of things that, economics, boring stuff. And then we jump down into technical analysis to see if the price action correlates with the big picture, with the macroeconomic strategy, and then look for an entry. So, and also we, have a good conversation in the morning. And when we finish the briefing, I upload all the recordings or the daily recordings to the website, so you can rewatch it if you go to learning, weekly webinars, and then you see morning briefing. That was yesterday because we had the briefing just before the stream, and that's it.
Yeah, I've been through some of the history, some of the previous briefings there this morning, and trying to get to grips with some of the silliness that's going on in the Discord. It's I'm making progress, so I look forward to attending the morning briefings and going forward. The crowd of people, the enthusiasm, and the chat from everyone who's around, from what I've seen so far, just on the YouTube and obviously in the Discord, it's quite a lot of keen people. So it'll be good to be swept along by that, I think.
Yeah, if you surround yourself with the right people, you're going to see that you're going to improve as well. Did you know that if you place a high performer into your team, other team members' efficiency can increase by 15%, but if you place a low performer in a group, then the effectiveness can decrease by 30%.
Yeah, that was part of Turtle strategy as well. The low performers were knocked out of the Turtle group, weren't they? After a certain amount of time, and then the whole Turtle strategy guys took off, didn't they? So it was it'll be good to be involved. So glad to be here. Yeah,
and also there's loads of noise in every trading groups, every trading chat, but you will find the right people. The one thing I really like in the Discord is that everyone's helping each other, and there's professional discussion going on. Like they're discussing ideas, and they are able to discuss contradicting ideas as well in a very polite and professional way, which is good.
Absolutely, very good. All right, well, thanks for having us on board.
Or they cry like me.
Everyone goes through tough times, so it's not crying. It's, we all had difficulties. Everyone had difficulties, and I've read your story, and I feel absolutely sorry. What happened with the prop firms? Fuck me. I didn't realize that how many people's, affected. Have you seen EJ, how much it dropped after it stopped me out? Crazy.
Hey, Tomas, after your last comment on the prop firm problems, are you going to reopen up that channel in Discord about prop firms? There are people that are trying to do the test for prop firms.
No, it's open. If you have.
What do I have to do to get onto it, I guess?
I can open it up.
Okay, thank you.
I will do it after the data release. Because,
okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay, Thomas, I have a question for you. Are you
Another one?
Yes, yes, yes. This one's more simple.
Jesus Christ, Kai.
Be more simple. So gold, looking at it right now, it's slowly creeping up, right? With 10 minutes to go for the news. So
Yeah.
So more often than not, obviously before news comes out, you can either have consolidation, you can have a front runner, or you can have a manipulation, right? What's more? What do you see the most happening, or is it like, I don't know? Like, do you see like, okay, so gold's going up. Do you see a lot of the times for it to continue going up and prices just kind of front running news, or do you see a lot of the times that gold could kind of look like it's front running news and then manipulate people? What do you see more often happening?
Yeah, well, it really comes down to what the data is. So what you see on the charts could be many times correlate with price action and the actual data, because traders not stupid. Traders who follow the US economy, they know exactly how much they're struggling with inflation, with with many things. So if they see there is a data forecast which is way off from reality, you're going to see it in the charts before the data release.
Yep.
Many times. And sometimes the data could be actually, the forecast could be reality, and many traders got it wrong. So what you see, that the front running of the market, which you think it's okay, but it turns out that everyone was wrong, and there's a big surprise. The market moves the opposite direction.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna get some water.
Hey Kai, I like the look of this gold. Come on, up.
Yeah. I did take early buys, but then I closed out at some equal highs just so I'm out of positions going into news, right?
Yeah. I'm
But
sitting
yeah.
here, I'm sitting here with the mouse moving my stop loss up behind it.
Just slowly trailing in, yeah.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
But these damn prop firms, they the slippage and the overnights and everything, that's disgusting sometimes. So
Not just that, the news restrictions as well, where you have to wait 2 minutes before and after. That's how it is with me anyway. I can't
Yeah,
place.
with me
I-
as well.
Yeah.
mine's not like that. Mine's
Or,
not like
or you have to live without TP and SL.
Yeah, all that,
What,
yeah.
what is the fuck to do?
Come on, gold, get up.
Basically, Russian roulette, that just fucking 50-50 roulette.
See, if I close this position now by hand, if I just hit X on MT4, my profit here is like 800, but it'll drop back to 680 if I close it by hand. But if it closes on TP, I get within $10 or within a couple of points of what the SL was or the TP line was, right? But if you do it by hand, you get.
What prop firm you use?
I'm with Nova Funding.
Ooh,
Yeah,
I've not heard good things
ooh.
about them, bro.
I've
They
had
pay
pay-
50%.
I tell you, I've had payouts. Yeah, I've had payouts. I've got the HFT bot, so I just keep passing accounts and giving myself more accounts.
Okay.
But you have to close your trades on TP or SL. If you do it by hand, they just kill you.
Right, okay.
You
As
just
long as
can
you find a
move.
technique, right? As long as you find your way around it.
You just move the TP manually.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Every day. I'm sitting here. Look, watch this. I'll show you. Watch this. I'm sitting here moving this fucking SL behind it.
Yeah.
That's all I do every day. Every day I sit here with this bloody stop loss. Yeah, you laugh, but that's my life, mate. That's my life.
Yeah, as long as it works. As long as it works.
As long as you make money.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Well, as I said, if it closes on TP or SL, I get close to what the price was. If you do it by hand, if you just hit X on the trade,
You get
you
fucked.
lose like 20 pips.
Yeah, that's bad. That is bad.
And when I've been watching all you guys on YouTube, right? I've only just joined here, but I've been watching on YouTube for like 6 months, and I'm just doing the same things, and like the faces of you guys here in the chat, I feel like I know some of you guys, even though obviously I don't know.
Just through watching live streams, right?
Just through the YouTube. I've been following.
Yeah,
like
I was
6
the same. I was the same, bro. Don't worry.
And even Thomas, I feel like I can talk to him like he's some mate of mine, but I've never met the guy.
Invite to your wedding. I will be your best man.
Oh, you want a coffee, Thomas? Oh.
He'll buy you a Lambo. He can.
He'll pull up in the Lambo.
See, I was just telling you guys I've been moving that SL underneath. It just closed. Just closed out. I made 800 there, trailing that fucking gold SL. So that's it. I'm done.
Nice.
800 pounds for a day's work.
That's very good.
Yeah, US on a proper camp. Yeah.
Yeah, but a dollar, pound, 800 a daily. I mean, well done.
Yeah, but it's only because I took the trade because you said 20 minutes ago I'm going to take a gold long, and I just put it on at the same time for no reason.
You've ruined out your work. You've just chalked it all out now. I'm joking.
Well, anyway, I'm out now.
Make the money, take the money. That's all that matters.
That's it.
Should have stayed in my lungs. What was that feeling?
4 minutes until the data release. Are you excited?
Very.
Never.
Very much. Oh, baby.
The 10-second countdown till news gives me goosebumps. I love it. Unmatched feeling.
10, 9.
I'm surprised you don't have a soundboard for the countdown.
I am the countdown.
10, 9.
Thomas is the soundboard.
Damn right. So, 30 pips running in profit, ladies and gentlemen. And we have 1 minute, 40 seconds. So you either lock in profit because 30 pips is 30 pips. We don't know what the data is going to be. There could be some very ugly, inflationary data, which then going to sell gold all the way down to 2018. I have only 2 small lots, so I'm gonna stick with it.
Thomas, just a quick question. With Forex-C,
Another
with the
one.
well, it's just all right. With the 50% bonus, is that always there? That never goes, right?
They're doing it for quite a while now, but I don't know when, if they're going to stop it.
Okay, okay.
50 seconds to go.
Guy, do you get paid by how many questions you ask?
I wish. I wish.
Hey? It's good. I give you credit. It's good.
Oh, now we pulled back to the daily pivot. It could be an ugly sell-off soon. Who knows what the data is going to be. We have 20 seconds to go. Read the narrative on the chart. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the data is...
Higher jobless claims.
Oh, it's pumping, it's pumping. What the heck? What was the data?
215 on the initial jobless claims. PCE is not out yet.
The continuing is actually quite mixed. PC is not out yet. Whoa. I'm gonna move stop loss. Doesn't matter if it hit, but we don't know what the PC is going to be. Can anyone see the PC prices? The fuck.
Month on month is the same.
Personal spend, yeah. Personal spending month on month.
The jobless
PCE
claims
0.3.
was
2.8. 0.3.
0.3. Okay. Jobless. Amazing.
It's all equal.
60 pips in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Good job. Well done. This is how we do it.
Where the fuck is my PC?
So as I said, higher jobless claims is going to help gold to push higher. A lower is going to obviously a different effect. I have to move my my TP, otherwise it's going to hit it. And position running in 1700, 3,000 pounds, 80 pips. Still no PCE. PC came 0.4, and the year on year. What's the year on year?
The year on year, yeah, 2.4.
No.
2.8.
2.8, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry, core, yes, yeah.
Who made some money today?
Certainly did.
Good job, Luis. Oh, sorry, Thomas.
The Alpha team.
We made money. I'm going to lock in
Big profits here, big profits.
I'm going to take in 2 lots. Do I leave a runner? Fuck's sake.
Yes, leave a runner. Yes.
Okay, let's have
close partials and leave a runner.
Just to be friendly, just something small.
It's breaking down the bull flag, so it has the chance to go to 2049.
2049. Wow.
Make the money, take the money, Thomas. Make the
Yeah,
money.
actually 2045, because if you look on the daily time frame, around this area, 2049 to 2046 is actually the top, a bigger downward sending channel. That this is how we bring in, technicals to fundamentals. Look at this bullish candle. Oh my god, that is beautiful, guys. Beautiful day. What an ending of the week. 80 pips within minutes.
Congratulations, whoever caught that.
Hi, Thomas. I'm Christoph. Hi, guys. I just want to thank you for your daily updates and your community. It's really great and inspiring and refreshing. Thanks a lot.
Christoph, first time you spoke.
Yes, that's true.
Thank you for the kind words. It's
But I'm
what
a listener.
Thank you for the kind words. It's it felt very good.
And I hope you get to get your nap or a coffee when you wake up again. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you so
bye.
much.
Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.
That means another happy customer just made money. Have a good day, Christoph.
You can use some tequila too. Some tequila.
I haven't had tequila since I was 18. At that time, we had a bottle of tequila. It didn't end very well, so you can imagine why I'm not taking tequilas. But I will try it just for you, David.
If I DM you, I can send you a one from over here. Very special one.
Really?
Yes, that's correct.
You sending me a tequila? To be honest, like, have you seen the painting in my office, in my study room? I actually got it from Marwan's, one of Marwan's relative, brother-in-law, or Modi sent me this, and Maya Nasadrin, who is the painter. Actually, I'm going to show you. They sent me he sent me a painting, and it's beautiful.
Yes, I think I remember. You also showed us a bale. Like I think you received like a bale on a frame.
A bale.
Like a dollar bill.
No.
Or was it gold on a frame or something?
No, I purchased that one. In case of emergency, break the glass.
Oh yes, I remember.
Yeah, if you have a tequila, send it over, boy. I will open it.
Yes, authentic and original from Mexico.
Yeah, so check out Maya. She's a so talented painter. And I actually got one of the painting from Outer Darkness. It was, to be honest, one of the biggest gifts I ever received. This one. This is so nice. Amazing. So check out Meme Mart. So talented. I love her work. Actually, I'm thinking to commission her to do another one. And by the way, look at gold. Look at gold.
Go gold.
Nice.
Go gold.
$800 in profit. Habibi.
Habibi.
I can join on this. It was too fast. Don't give me a space to enter.
Come on.
Amazing. Alif Kairi made $3,000 US. People are just making money just by looking at the stream. So nice. And I have to move my TP again.
Yeah. Just on the 1 minute chart, just a couple of minutes ago, I bought in again on a retrace at 2037 flat. Oh, and it just took out my 2043 TP. Okay.
Yeah, I got in on the retrace as well, Brad.
Yeah. Just took another 500. Very good.
I'm going to lock in profits on.
I think that's paid for my membership.
And you joined yesterday, 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Mate, unbelievable.
Thank you very much.
Well done.
I'm gonna call that a day. Thank you very much, Thomas. You have a good rest of your day.
You're very welcome. Can you hear this?
Taking the money and run.
I've got some things to do today. And it's Thursday. Let me enjoy.
Yeah, it's actually Thursday is the new Friday, so enjoy it.
Especially in February and towards the end of the month.
Yeah,
have a good weekend.
Last day of the month, guys. It's time to celebrate. How about we make the money, take the money, and just go and enjoy the rest of the day.
Very good idea.
Let's not forget this day only comes once every 4 years.
Good plan. Good plan.
120 pips in minutes.
It's a good investment joining Alpha community. Just saying.
There you
Does
go.
it again. Does it again.
Anyway, guys, I wish you a relaxing Thursday evening. Keep in touch on Discord and make sure you lock in some profits. 120 pips, baby. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Thanks, Thomas.
Thank
Have
you,
a good one,
Thomas.
mate.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.
Thomas.
I'm just going to take a screenshot.
Thanks, Thomas.
Excellent day today. Thanks, Thomas.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
So those of you who would like to join the Alpha community to get the same level of daily analysis every day in form of morning briefings, and just go to the website. There are some spaces. I opened up another 4 free spaces, free memberships available for purchase. Yeah, come be part of the legend. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day and have a good weekend.